faces. Some of them are, of course, new, and most of faces that are presently here for tonight's Medyo Lunch are OGs, sabi nga nila. This is not only competitive, a friendly race, race for the earth, but also this is a race for everyone, a competitive race. We are seeing different elite runners at the back. Usually, sila talaga yung mahiyain. Okay? Kasi they are conserving their energy for the race. But this time, magka-carbo loading tayo right after some of the highlights, presentation of the highlights of this event. Alright? So to formally open and welcome each and every one of you guys here, I would like to call the presence, and let's all give a round of applause to the Managing Director of Green Media Events, Ms. Jenny Lumba.
Yung helicopter, pakita na natin ito.
Okay, good evening everyone. First, I would like to thank every one of you for attending the Takbo para sa Kalikasan Third Element Series Era 2025. For our newest sponsor, Eco Essentials. Hello po, welcome. So later on guys, we'll be having a raffle coming from them, so stay lang dyan. To our new partner, si Utol Rice. Hello po. So they'll be having a fun round coming December 7. So later, they'll be giving synopsis about the upcoming in collaboration with Green Media Events. So guys, supportan natin yun. And of course, to all the ambassadors, hello, influencers, photographers, media partners, maraming salamat sa suporta at walang sawa pagbibigay pugay sa ating mga to. Of course, to our new set of pacers, we are looking at you guys to lead and guide our participants for their target time and pace. Lastly, to all our running club and corporate representative, maraming salamat po. Hindi ko na po pahabayin ang aking welcome remarks kasi later on we'll be discussing the highlight of the water run event, which is doon natin pag-uusapan na magpapasalamat po kami ng buong puso sa lahat ng mga nagpadala ng ating mga attendees. So muli, maraming salamat and welcome po tonight.